What is good, weather nerds? Today we are going out in Rapid City, South Dakota, probably driving towards Box Elder, so we can see kind of some of the snow and the wind and what's all happening with this first real shot of winter of the year. We're gonna go run around town, go get some baby formula, some other really exciting things, and then just do a quick check of the roads while we're out. So this is kind of a weird storm because it's actually retrograding to the west. So typically you have storms come from the southwest that kind of move east and you get snow on the cold backside of them. But this one actually went south and east of us. The low was near, I think, Sioux City or Sioux Falls. And the storm is actually retrograded back west, which is why Sioux Falls really had the worst of the impacts yesterday. And we are just now getting it today.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yep, that's it. Thanks, you too. So yeah, they're really doing a pretty good job keeping ahead of the snow on interstate. I mean, it's mostly clear. There's a few random slick patches and some blowing snow, but you really just have to look out for the visibility. In town in Rapid, it's a lot slushier, so people are getting around mostly fine. I've seen a couple of cars that were stuck either off the side of the road or they had trouble getting up a hill. So it's one of those days where if you don't have to go out, maybe don't go out, and otherwise just enjoy this first real shot of winter that we've had all year. Just kind of wanted to shoot this to give you guys an idea of what winter is actually like here in South Dakota. It's been really mild so far this year. We've been in the 50s mostly. So this is what it's like kind of at the height of a snowstorm. There's a lot of wind, a lot of snow. But ultimately it looks like we should rebound into the 50s next week. So I would imagine that within a couple of days, all the snow is going to be gone and you'll have no idea that it even happened. So that's kind of one of the nice things about living up here in the banana belt. It gets a little bit warmer than the surrounding plains, so when you do get a snowstorm like this, it usually melts off faster. Edit. So thanks everybody for showing your support recently, all the subscriptions, keep the comments coming too. I really like seeing what you guys have to say about these videos and what you think about the weather up here. So till next time everybody, keep an eye on the sky.